Hello everyone. I welcome you all once again to my YouTube channel. As you know that exam time is going on, so my today's video is dedicated to all the student and student teachers who are studying in school, colleges or teacher training institutes and those who are appearing for their final exams. So what is the most important thing when we think or talk about exams? Of course, it is a presentation of your answers because it plays a very significant role in attaining good and high marks. So, how are you writing and presenting your answers? Your writing skills plays a very significant role. So, in this video, I'm gonna talk about various tips how to present your answers in appropriate manner. So, before exams, how can you sharpen your writing skills or the presentation skills? It is very important to practice old question papers which you can borrow from the library, from the teachers or from seniors. Just set a time in your watch or mobile and start practicing each and every question. This will definitely help when you appear for your exams. Now I'm going to talk about when you are sitting in your examination room for the exams. The foremost thing is that as soon as you get question paper in your hand, go through at least for 5 minutes to all the questions which are there in your question paper. Don't become too excited that yes, I know this answer, now I am gonna write it, I'm very confident about that. No. First of all, you have to read the whole question paper, all the questions, but yes, keep time in your mind. After going through all the questions, attempt those questions first which you think are easy in comparison to others. Difficult questions can be attempted at the end. Now, in attempting long answer questions, what you can do, you can write the key points either at the back of your answer sheet or you can draw some space on the main sheet also. But do not forget to write the rough work and just erase that work also when you are finished with your question paper. It's very important to write the key points. Now, how to write the key points? See, you can either use black or blue pen for writing your answers in your examination. Don't use any other colored pen because it is completely prohibited. Now, you can highlight the key points. Either you can just draw the line or you can circle that. And this way you can highlight your key points and don't forget to elaborate all those points with specific example as demanded by the question. Next thing is that if it is demanded by the question, you can make diagrams, you can make mind maps or concept map, flowchart, etc. if it is demanded. Yes, it will definitely play a very important role in catching the attention of the examiner. So you can go for that. Next thing is that don't overwrite. Sometimes we have a habit of cutting and lots of cutting and then we forget to erase it also. That creates lots of confusion for the examiner. So just think about that point first of all, and as I said earlier also, you can write the key points at the back of your answer sheet so that you do not get baffled or confused what to write and what not to write. Next point is that always mention the right question or the answer which you are going to write. For example, if some question has different parts like 5 parts, then you have to mention, for example, question 1 A part, question 1 B part, question 1 C part and so on. Always mention your answer specifically so that examiner can check all the questions accordingly and serial wise. Next thing, sometimes students ask, ma'am, whether we have to write the question or not. There is no need to write any question, and as I said, just mention properly the question number which you are going to attempt. Don't waste your time in writing the questions unnecessarily. Next thing is that keep your writing legible, neat and clean and clear because it is a foremost thing, it is a forte of your exams. Next thing, which is very important as according to me, set time for each and every question. For example, if there are multiple choice questions, then you have to decide whether you will spend 5 or 10 minutes for that. And then for long answer, how much time will you spend, and for the short answers accordingly. So you have to set your time because it depends upon individual to individual. For instance, I would like to spend at least 10 minutes for the long answer according to me. But if you would like to spend more than 10, then it's okay. But yes, keep the total time hours in your mind. And as I said, always keep water bottle in your hand and keep hydrated yourself. Don't become nervous at all because examinations are like it's for the lifetime. It's not gonna end in school, colleges, and you have to give exam in every step of your life. So my dear students, that's all from my side. I wish you all the best for your exams and for upcoming exams also. Just take a deep breath and just go for that. Thank you for watching this YouTube video.